So I was just watching Mondo doing DIY balayage tutorial, and it got me really curious, and I just want to try this for myself. Hi everyone, my name is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel The Real Queen Bee. This video is inspired by Mondo. So this is what my hair length is. It isn't much, it's really short. I chopped it off really short recently and the hair color is extremely dark. One more thing, be warned, this video is not going to be like my other makeup tutorial video because I have never tried it by myself before. This video could turn out to be a total disaster, but don't worry, whether it is disaster or not, I'm going to upload this entire video anyway. So let's get started. First, I'm going to do small sections of my hair. So at first, I have prepared the mixture, which is the blonder powder mixed with the developer, and put on some gloves please, because if you don't, your hand's gonna feel really awful. So this is the mixture which I have prepared. I understood from Mondo's video that when you are gonna do balayage on your hair, just take one part which is like around ½ inch and then color it in a V shape. I mean, put the bleach on in V shape up to a certain point, and for the rest of the point just apply the entire bleach. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so this is how it should be applied diagonally, just like this and this, up to one certain point, and then apply this entire hair. And after application, you are going to just touch it with your hand so that it evenly distributes in your entire hair strand. Don't go too close to your root because you know, bleach is always damaging when it comes to your hair. I'm going to apply a little more because I think I have applied enough on the bottom. Okay, so you can either apply a foil and you cannot apply foil. I'm not applying any foil because my hair processes really fast and it is not a virgin hair. It has been colored for so many times. So no, I don't need foils. Okay, so I'm taking another section and let me show you this again. I know it's not perfect because I have never done it before, but you know, let's just give it a shot. Oh, nice and fine, just like that. Okay, after this one, let's color the entire hair, just like that. So now I'm going to distribute this evenly. You know, as Mondo was saying, that it doesn't need to be that perfect. If it's a little messy, then it's okay. I'm just going to clean this middle part with my fingers because I think I applied too much here. Okay, now I'm going to continue doing this on the rest of my hair. already applied the entire product, and I am already starting to have these feelings that instead of DIY balayage yourself, it's going to be a DIY balayage disaster, because I have given too much bleach on my hair in the upper part where it's not supposed to be like that. And so you know what I'm gonna do right now, I'm going to improvise. So for that, the bleach which I have left, I want to apply it on the bottom of my hair, because I want the tips of my hair to be a little lighter than the roots. I want this bottom to look really light. Products I have used are from Verena Cosmetics, and the developer I have used, which is 40 volume developer. Whenever you're bleaching your hair, make sure you use 40 volume developer, which is the strongest. It will give you a really light textures bleach. And the reason why I did not use foils, because you can see how fast my hair processes. It's been an hour. I'm going to wash my hair with lukewarm water, and then I'm going to do some shampoo, and after the shampoo I'm going to deep condition my hair. I do curl up shampoo and curl up hair mask for deep conditioning. I'm going to take a shower and be right back. You can see my hair. I don't know what it looks like, but it does not look like balayage. But again, when I'm seeing these pictures on internet about balayage hair highlights done on curly hair, I have noticed that it does not look like what it looks on straight hair. So I think it's not that bad actually. And you know, this is not the final color. I am going to do the color on my hair right now. I am going to show you a few things, like there are like these sections are really pale. Some sections are not that pale, but you know, I have applied excess amount of bleach on the bottom, so it's actually kind of looks good. It's kind of giving an ombre effect. The color which I'm going to do is from L'Oreal Paris Casting Cream Gloss, and the color is praline brown. The shade number is 530. This color is near to golden brown, so I want to try this color. This is not too light and neither too dark. So before start applying the color, I'm going to apply some Vaseline over my face near the hairlines, because I don't want any of my face to become colored. Apply Vaseline especially near your neck. I'm going to prepare the mixture now, and it is directed in this pack that a mixture to be mixed in this developer bottle, but I'm not going to do that, because if I do it, then I have to use this entire thing in one go. But trust me, not all of our hair are that much long or voluminous, so we don't need that much quantity. I'm just putting half of the pack, and then I'm going to apply half of the developer, or even little more than that, and always mix on a mixing bowl, no matter whatever instruction given in the pack. And remember always to put on your gloves, otherwise your hands are going to be really badly stained. Alright, so the mixture has been prepared, and now I'm going to start applying it on my hair. So I have made a thick section, not too thick, but you know, thick is okay. And I'm just going to apply it with my brush. You can also apply it with your fingers if you want to, but it gets really messy, so I prefer applying with a brush. Apply a very thick layer. And for the tip, apply like this. And after application, you're just going to make sure it goes all over inside of your hair. Just like that. Now I'm going to finish applying this color all over my hair. Okay guys, so I'm almost done applying the color, but the color which is left, I'm just going to apply it on the bottom of my hair. Now I'm going to wait for around 1 to 1.5 hours, and then I'm going to rinse my hair and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. So I have washed my hair, and before you say anything, no, my hair is not black. It did not turn black. There are some highlights there, right there. It cannot be seen properly without any night light, but you know, if you see it in light, then you can see there are some highlights. Well, these highlights are definitely not balayage highlights, and so yeah, as I was saying, that this is a total balayage fail, but the highlights are actually looking good on me, and which is why I'm quite happy with it. I want to thank brand Mondo. I got the inspiration for highlighting my hair, and literally I'm highlighting my hair after a really long time, after almost 2 years, and thanks for that. And well, let me just blow dry my hair and get some lights on, and let me show you how my hair exactly looks like.
Don't stop, 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 don't stop.
So there you go guys, this is how my hair looks like in the end. Just look how rich and natural the color is looking. So this is it. This is how my color looks like. I am really happy with the end result, and I'm gonna rock with this hairstyle. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share, and also please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. If you are not satisfied, if you don't think that you did not see enough of how the hair looks like, then you're free to go and check my community tab, where I would be posting a lot of pictures of this final look. Bye guys, see you next time.